Hello and welcome to another episode of Retro Cars Reborn. I'm Lee. On today's episode we're going to be looking at the front of the Capri. But firstly, I got to make some room. First port of call, there's something missing. Voila, one super duper line battery. Will it even have power? Who knows? It looks massive when it's not in here, but yeah, I think we'll have a quick sweep up and then we'll drive her in. So she's back in, and now I've got space. Oh, look at it, a little bit of a squeeze through there, but oh, look at this, no pinky in the way, loads of space. I can even see myself getting to the 2.8, because I need to do something with this, as it's a little bit wonky now. It used to be mint, but it's been sat on it for about a year. So it's gone wonky. But yeah, we definitely need to stop mistreating this car. But yeah, that's it. Okay, now loads of room. Looking mint. So this is what I'm planning on tackling. All this rust across the front, and all the rust in these corners. Get it on camera. All the rust here, look. And all along the valence. Shouldn't be too difficult. This bit might be where it proves a little bit harder. There's practically nothing left of this valence from here. So we'll whip this bumper off and we'll have a look. So come on then people, get in them comments down below, with bumper or without bumper. What are we saying? No bumper? I'm kind of digging no bumper. Maybe if the valence was not as destroyed. But yeah, no bumper at the minute, I'm thinking, for front and rear. Tell me what you think. Turns out that when I was putting electric tape over the bits of rust, that it's a really old trick, because front valence, what's this? A piece of tape. I mean, it really blends in. That's all tape, that. So see what we got behind it. Lovely. Rust. I mean, it's one way of hiding the stone chips. Is that a piece as well? Yes, more tape, look. More tape. Oh, it's battered. Oh, it's even more. No. Proper battered. Lovely. Okay, let's get these lights and these light bezels out then, I think, next, and we'll see what surprises await. Well, it's nowhere near as bad as I thought it would be. The bowls are a lot better than I thought. There's the odd hole. I'm sure we'll be able to sort that out. And this bit here as well. But yeah, so we'll sand this all back and we'll see what we're left with. So I'm sanding away nicely, moved along this outer edge, getting rid of most of the rust. And you know the saying that escalated quickly? Well, it really did escalate quickly. Holy fook! This entire part of the headlamp bowl and this front piece of the wing was just made out of filler. The entire thing was made out of filler. So it's a good job headlamp bowls being rotten are not a failure on an MOT, thank God. So I've got to decide whether I'm going to re-bodge this like it was done, because I'm not really bothered about this car that much. Or weld it. We shall see. So, with this mass of disappointing rust and death that's been found in these front bowls, I created a Facebook page for everybody, so Retro Cars Reborn on Facebook, where you can join. You'll see all the little bits and bobs that don't make the channel, pictures, little bits of videos and whatever. You can show your projects off on there as well. Anything to do with retro and classic cars will be allowed. So go check that out. I'll leave it in the description below. Go check out Knott's Modified Car channel. Go check them out. Give them a like. Subscribe. Also check out RSJ Developments. He's doing a cool build at the minute as well. Give him a like and a subscribe. Remember, like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I'll try and get back to everybody. And I think that'll be it for today, and I shall see you in the next video.